The Queenar is a novel food warmer that utilizes a unique heating method to keep food warm and delicious for extended periods. It offers a convenient and effective solution for maintaining the ideal temperature of your meals, whether you're enjoying a leisurely dinner or keeping food warm for later consumption. The Queenar employs a low-power heating method that generates gentle warmth without overcooking or drying out food. This ensures that your dishes retain their original flavors and textures, even after hours of being kept warm. The Queenar's adaptable design allows it to accommodate a variety of dishware sizes and configurations. Its splickable and detachable plates can be connected to form a larger warming surface, making it suitable for both large family gatherings and intimate dinners. To prevent accidental activation and ensure user safety, the Queenar incorporates a child safety lock. This feature is particularly useful for households with young children, preventing them from adjusting the temperature or turning off the device. The Queenar offers 7 temperature settings, providing precise control over the heating level to suit different food types and preferences. This versatility allows you to maintain the ideal temperature for various dishes, from delicate sauces to hearty stews. The Queenar's low power consumption makes it an energy-efficient appliance, reducing energy costs and environmental impact. Its ability to heat individual portions or multiple dishes simultaneously ensures efficient energy utilization. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of the Queenar. Pros: unique heating method preserves food quality and flavor. Splickable and detachable design for flexible use. Child safety lock for enhanced safety. Multi-temperature control for precise heating. Energy-efficient operation. Cons: limited availability compared to some other food warmers. May not be suitable for keeping food warm for extended periods outdoors. Overall, the Queenar is a promising food warmer that offers a combination of innovative features, practical design, and energy efficiency. Its ability to keep food warm without altering its taste or texture, along with its child safety features and energy-saving operation, makes it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a convenient and reliable solution for maintaining the ideal temperature of their meals. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.